Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Courtney with Sweet Magnolia Doodles, and we are going to show you guys the puppies. They turned 3 weeks old on Saturday, and a little bit of our morning. Okay, it's Monday the 31st. No really change in Abby. Her temperature is 98, so I'm hoping she does something soon. She's still eating, but yeah, so that's where we're at. And then I made coffee with my new coffee thing I got. Super nice. It's the Ninja, and it was on sale at Costco. And this one you can make a full carafe of coffee. I think that's what it's called. But there's so many different options. And I'm gonna make some of this because I was up throughout the night checking on Abby and I'm tired. And then I'm going to show you guys the puppies. Okay, so coffee's made. I use Starbucks Fall Blend, a little bit of this non-dairy creamer, super good. Always a little whipped cream. And then this cup. I froth milk. I love it. Just a little bit, and then I spoon the foam on there. And right at home, perfect coffee. So good. And it's almost like getting it at the Starbucks, kind of. So, yeah. Okay, so we are back with the puppies here. They turned 3 weeks old on Saturday. No, you guys cannot get out. They're trying to climb out of here. So today's novelty item we're going to put in. You want to set that over there, baby? Thank you. Set it, nope, like right in the middle by your foot, kind of. That's the novelty item I'm going to do today. So I'm going to leave that in there for them to play with. And you can see they're using the pee pads. Yeah, they see you.
You're my cute. Chocolate milky. Oh, yellow colors here. And you put it on. What are you? Hey, honey. This puppy for me.
Nice.
Puppy here.
Just let them explore, okay?
Okay. Yellow color and yellow color. Like cute. Mama, take a picture of me and him.
I see you guys. Yeah.
Can hold two.
Look at you. You love the puppies, huh? Look at that. And they're giving each other kisses.
Yeah.
So can you tell me what puppy is which? Who's that?
This is Popcorn Fluff.
Popcorn Fluff. I think her litter name is Snickerdoodle. That's yellow collar. Oh, they see Mom.
And this color is named
Oh no, they're all
white
coming out for
color
Mom.
Fluffy.
Alright, I think you might have to get out. We have to put Mommy in there. We'll have to take a break. Okay, so everybody won the nurse. Taking a break for nursing. It's kind of getting crowded at this point, huh? Yep, a little crowded. Alright, so we cut that last video off to let them eat, and they were sleeping, but when they hear my voice now, they're so excited to see me. And they had their novelty item, and they had played with that, and they all felt, oh my goodness! You guys, they love to see people. These guys are so sweet. Hi, honey. So that's the gist of their day right now, pretty much. Hanging out here, learning the routine of where to go to the bathroom. We're going to introduce puppy food this week. Hi. We're going to introduce puppy food this week. Oh, Mom, you keep coming in here, Chava. So that's what we're going to introduce this week is puppy food, but that's a wrap for today. And then we obviously will feed them. Mom keeps caring for them throughout the day, and they keep going in here, and they're going to have the novelty item taken out now because they've already played with it and kind of done their thing. So Mom will come in here in a second and feed it again. So we're going to continue to monitor Abby and see how she does for the rest of the day. So you guys seen a little snippet into our morning with the puppies. That's Chava's cookie litter, or Crumbl cookie litter. And I will touch base soon with Ember's cozy Christmas litter. And then hopefully I will get Abby's birth vlog up soon. Hopefully she has the puppies today, I'm hoping. So, but that's pretty much what we do in our everyday routine right now. It will get busier as they get older, especially starting like this weekend. Moving forward, they'll be 4 weeks old, so they'll be doing and working through curriculum each day. But right now, that's pretty much what they're doing. So as always, if you guys like what you see, please give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. And thanks so much for watching. See you soon.